In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove contact records from a static list in Hubspot. Whether you're managing a customer database or organizing contacts for a marketing campaign, learning this skill is essential for keeping your records neat and up to date. Let's start by heading over to HubSpot's homepage. Simply open your browser and type in the URL for HubSpot, which is where you'll find all the tools and resources you need. Once you've reached the homepage, your next step will be to log into your HubSpot account. You'll find the login button easily on the top right corner of the page. Click it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If this is your first time, don't worry. Follow the instructions provided to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, navigate to the home page. This is where you get an overview and access to all the features HubSpot offers. Whether it's managing contacts, marketing tools, or analytics, everything starts from here. Once you're there, go ahead and find the option for CRM. Click on it to begin the process of managing your contact records efficiently. Within the CRM section, you'll see an option labeled Contacts. This is your go-to hub for managing any and all contact-related activities in HubSpot. Click on Contacts and you will be taken to a list of all the contacts you currently have stored. This area is invaluable for all kinds of tasks, whether it's adding new contacts or reviewing existing ones. With your contact list open, select a contact that you wish to add or remove from a static list. Identifying the contact is key here, so take a moment to scroll through and find the correct one. If the list is long, use the search function at the top for more convenience. Once you've selected your contact, look for a button labeled More. Clicking this will open up additional options that aren't immediately visible. Among these new options, you'll see the one we need that says Add to Static List. This particular feature allows you to manage your contact lists effortlessly, particularly useful if you're creating segmented lists for targeted communications. After clicking on Add to Static List, a new prompt will ask for confirmation. Simply click on Add to finalize the process. And just like that, the contact is now successfully added to your static list. If at any point you decide to remove the contact, simply follow these steps in reverse. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide to managing your contact records in HubSpot. Utilizing these steps will streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity in managing lists. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.